Jim Guerrera here with Don Gibeaut from Ajax Tocco. An incredible story, an incredible company. Could you tell us a little bit, Don, about your company and some of the things that you guys are doing in the industry?
Yeah, we're focused on induction heating, but we also have some mechanical companies like Pines that we have as electric vendor back here in the corner. We also have PMC Colonnade that does high-speed threading for the API oil and gas industry, tube and pipe. We have a host of companies around the world. We're over 100 and some years old and pride ourselves on being the engineering arm of the induction industry.
Over 100 years old.
Yes,
so what can you tell me about that? How many generations has the company been passed on to?
Oh my goodness. We just had a rash in the last couple of years of some icons in the industry, like George Foff, who passed on, that was the president of Tocco and the head of the ASM for a while. Ron Akers, dynamic individual from Westinghouse Induction Systems, head of our R&D department. We have a rash of young guys coming. When I say young, 30s, I'm on my 39th year with the company in 2020. So, younger generation of good product engineers that's come on board. So we're setting ourselves up for the next.
Getting ready for the next generation.
You got it, brother.
What are some of the trends that you're seeing in the industry?
Some of the trends in the tube and pipe specifically.
Yeah.
I'm the chairman of the board of the directors for the ITA for North America, so I get quite a bit of insights on the what's happening in the tube industry. I also do an economic article for the TPJ every year with Eric Lundy, their editor. So we have been so busy in the last 2 years. We just shipped, I think, our third heat treat quench and temper at 15 tons an hour, and we just sold a 34 ton an hour system in Houston for API pipe. So we are going like gangbusters. Our M&E division is out of Italy, and we have completely revolutionized the HFI welding industry with a brand new high frequency welder that uses, it's even hard to describe. Per 100 kilowatt, just for an example, we use 4 semiconductors, and the traditional technology uses 64.
Wow.
So with our heritage, our size, and our engineering, we have revolutionized many industries, but definitely the HFI welding. Some of our main competitors just signed on to what we call the new SIC Mossweld design transistor.
What do you see in the future? What trends?
In the future, well, we have an election year coming up. So you're going to see a little bit of a slowdown next year.
Any predictions on that? No, don't answer that question. Don't answer that question.
No, but I do have some. But next year is going to be a little slow. Yeah. But this year we are double in our tubular products than we were the year before. Sure. And I run all of our brands global. So our presence in Europe with our M&E group has grown dramatically over there in the tube side of the business. So we're seeing just a continuation. Like I said, these very large heat treat quench and temper lines, they go for $3 to $5 million a piece and a lot of very complex handling. Wow. And we're just shipped one system for overseas, for China actually, who wanted to buy some from the U.S., which is a different trending, right?
That's a different trend.
Yeah,
we like to see that.
And good engineers and stuff over there. We really had a successful project, which is a story all on its own, working with the Chinese in a different venue than them just selling over here.
And how many years you been with this company?
39 next year.
Wow. So, and what's pretty cool to see is how excited you still are about the company and the technology. It's just like you're just getting going. So
it's a change every day. We do everything from automotive heat treating to very large melting systems, forging. It's definitely not a cookie cutter type business for us. And we custom engineer still every system. So, we have standards, but we still custom engineer. So we got quite a pride in our group.
That's a great story.
And we have heat treat lines out there that are 40 to 50 years old.
Wow.
Still running production today. Tenaris was in today from Blytheville. Their heat treat 2 line is like 45 years old. Still running every day.
Yeah, that's exciting.
So that's something to be excited about. That kind of heritage continued on today.
seems like your company's been around for over 100 years, but you're just getting going in terms of even newer technologies in the future.
Absolutely.
Advanced manufacturing is here to stay. So
absolutely. And some of the old principles are not bad. They still apply today, and we're living proof of that. An American-based company that is engineering oriented and revolutionizing different segments of our business.
Right.
I mean, it's a good day to be here.
Thanks for taking a few minutes.
You got it, brother.
Thank you.
I appreciate the interview.